We will get Clank back, Ratchet. I promise. How did Tachyon ever go? In memory of Dan Johnson. Oh yeah, that's right. Size Matters had that memorial for him. Anyways, that is it for the normal version of Tools of Destruction. This is honestly one of my favorite Ratchet and Clank games, besides Up Your Arsenal, Going Commando, and especially A Crack in Time. Is it the best keeping track of things? No. This game is still a lot of fun though. Still short a few enemies with the Groovatron, but trying to get a Groovatron with multiple enemies at once is just not practical. If you catch my drift, but we're gonna make sure we can get through all of this. And this game has the most difficult challenge mode by far. Not even A Crack in Time's challenge mode is that difficult. However, I will do it. I will still stream it. It's either this game or the last game. This is probably the last game with David Beauregard hosting the music. It's all good though. Had the device Grummel. That's the same guy that does Shang Tsung in Mortal Kombat 9. And their devices are only in this game, not any of the other games, unfortunately. But devices are still a lot of fun to use. The Groovatron, it makes the enemies dance, characters dance. Honestly, it made me dance. Who knew? Imagine ISO Speed playing this game. That would be funny. That would be wild. I still am missing that one skill playing festoon. I will try as much as I can to get that. Them barriers just don't want to break half the time. It's like, am I missing something? course, the Pirates of the Caribbean music playing. And these credits are really long, though. Alright. We'll be after this game. I'm like I did with going commando and up your arsenal, because how long grinding and stuff took. How long this took. I'm probably going to just I'm going to take a small break from this game and play something else. Might be a PlayStation game, might be a Nintendo 64 game, a GameCube game. Who knows, guys? That's what we'll have in store. But I guarantee that the game is going to be fun and worth it. I'll most likely do Quest for Booty later, at a later date. I won't start challenge mode of this game immediately though, because again, it's still short on Xbox. It'll be coming March 1st. Then I'll get back to. Then I'm gonna upload all the videos I recorded during that period. Oh god. And also, this game also has Japanese Grotrons, which are able to be played in this game version, since the American version. And I just loaded my chair. See? Just gotta stand up and back up. Yeah, lip sync game kind of doesn't sync properly because the disc I have is probably really scratched to hell. If this does end up freezing during a challenge mode, I'll get a new disc at some point in time. But I'm not going to worry about that right now. Thank you, Insomniac. We really appreciate you. No penguins are harmed in the making of this game. Thank God. Because penguins are awesome. Congratulations, you have unlocked Challenge Mode. Challenge Mode allows you to play through the game with extra difficulty and all your weapons and armor that you already own intact. As you destroy enemies in Challenge Mode, the bolts drop and are multiplied by the numbers shown. Destroying more enemies increases the multiplier, but reset after taking a hit. As always with challenge mode, going commando onwards. I'm just gonna go time warp for right now. But anyways, that'll be it for the normal mode of Tools of Destruction. I'm gonna go see if I can get this last skill point again, and then I'm going to be doing challenge mode in the next time, starting to stream that challenge mode. That won't be for a while though. Until then, have a great one, guys, and I'll see you next time. Have a great night, everyone.